Apple just released iOS 26.1 Beta 2, and there are some great new features, subtle design tweaks, and performance improvements you should know about. Let's go over everything in just about 2.5 minutes. Starting off with the visuals, Apple's liquid glass design language now gives you more control. You can adjust how transparent or tinted the interface looks, so you can pick between a cleaner frosted style or a more solid appearance. It's a small detail, but it really changes the feel of the OS. Next, the Clock app gets a clever upgrade, a new slide to stop gesture for alarms. Instead of tapping the stop button and missing it half asleep, now you just slide to stop. It's one of those tiny quality of life changes that makes a big difference. Third, Apple is expanding live translation for AirPods. Beta 2 adds languages like Japanese, Korean, Italian, and Chinese. If you use AirPods Pro 2 or 3, you can now translate more languages live right in your ear. Then there's the new background security improvements toggle in Settings, Privacy, and Security. This lets your iPhone automatically install small security patches in the background without needing a full iOS update. Great for peace of mind. Finally, there are performance boosts and bug fixes across the board, smoother animations, slightly better battery life, and faster Siri responses. A few smaller details too. The App Store update screen has been refined with clearer changelogs, and there are early code hints for digital passports in Apple Wallet. It's not live yet, but it looks like Apple is getting ready for it in the next version. So, should you install Beta 2? If you're already testing iOS 26.1, go for it. This version feels stable and smoother than Beta 1. But if your iPhone is your daily driver, you might want to wait for the final release, which should arrive in early November. That's your quick breakdown of iOS 26.1 Beta 2. What do you think about the new features? Drop a comment below, hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more Apple updates every week.